Today we have to discuss some of the chemistry concept. The first concept is the atoms. Yes, you know for the Shivam atoms. What is meant by the atoms in the chemistry? You know? No. Yes, you can.
The smallest part of substance that cannot be broken down chemistry. Good.
No. Okay, that's right. I think. But in the atoms, what is meant by the atoms? First, we can to understand that what is meant by the atom. The smallest particle of substance that cannot be broken down chemically. Okay. Smallest particle. Suppose to one atom. Atom is our circular. Means that is rounding shape. This is the atoms. In the atoms are present in the nucleus. First of all, atoms are made up of some extranuclear part. Atoms are made up of some extranuclear part. Which is the part in that present? That in the nucleus, in the atom. First is the nucleus, but nucleus is also made up for protons as well as the neutrons. Okay, we can discuss for the protons and neutrons. They are to represent for protons means P and small m means neutrons. They are present in the nucleus. You can understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. That in the smallest particle in that present, that is to nucleus, in the atom is to present of the nucleus. And nucleus is in the present of the protons, but in the protons on their positively charged. Which charge present on that protons? Positively or negatively? Which is charge?
Positive or negative?
Not, only positive on the protons. Neutrons always is electrically neutral. Okay? Neutrons is always electrically neutral. There are not present all any charge. They are always neutrals. Okay? Then next is the concept of the what is meant by the nucleus. Nucleus already says. Nucleus means that protons plus what, which is word using? Protons and neutrons. Okay? You can understand I think. That is two protons and neutrons. In here, nucleus are present in the atoms. This is the circular of these atoms in the present of the nucleus. Okay? And nucleus are made of. They are made up of the protons and neutrons. But in here, protons are always on charge. Which charge are present? Protons, which is charge, positively charged, and neutrons on there is always electrically neutral. There are not any charge. Okay?
Yes.
This is the some small concept and basic concept on there, because the chemistry we have to study in the behind that two atoms, nucleus, protons as well as neutrons and extranuclear of the electron. In the next we have to study for that which is the concept electrons. Electrons are present in the surrounding of that nucleus in here electrons. In here two small electrons, but electrons are revolving surrounding the nucleus, not in the center. They are always to revolving the nucleus. Okay? And electrons are revolving around the nucleus. And which is charge present? Negatively charged. In here, protons which charge present? Positively, and electrons which is charge present? Negatively. Always remember that things. And this is the small concept we have to study, that protons as well as neutrons and electrons. You to clear that concept? You can understand, yes or no?